Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to check what type of hard drive you have inside your computer. First things first, if you guys like this video, if you find it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Alright, let's get started. So there's a few ways we can check what type of hard drive type we have. So the first way I'm going to show you is if you go to the search here and write PowerShell. Here you'll get the first option. Don't click there. Click over here on the right hand side. Run as administrator. Pop-up will come. Hit yes. And then you'll get a blue screen that looks like this. And then you're going to want to write get physical disk, a line. That line is if you hit shift and then the / format dash table dash auto and size. Hit enter. It may need to wait a minute. And then here you'll see friendly name Toshiba, the model it is, my serial number, and then the media type, it's an HDD. And then it's healthy, and then the size, of course. Okay, so that's the first way. The next way is if we X this and go to the search here, we can look up defrag. And we're going to click on this first one, defragment and optimize drives. Click on that one. And then you'll see in the media type, hard disk drive, which is an HDD. Okay. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching, guys. Like always, I'm How To Tech Tips. Keep teching on.